There's a lot of uncertainty about the role of caffeine in hydration. It is true that caffeine is a diuretic, i.e. it stimulates the kidney to produce urine. So if we take a large dose of caffeine in the form of tablets or powders, we'll produce more urine than we would do if we didn't take that caffeine. The same is true if we drink a small, very strong coffee, which has a high amount of caffeine and a very small volume of water. However, the amount of caffeine we need to get a diuretic action is quite large. Most studies have shown we need about 250 to about 350 milligrams of caffeine to get a diuretic action. By contrast, a typical cup of tea contains about 60 to 100 milligrams, and a typical cup of coffee about 100 to 120 milligrams. So the amount of caffeine is quite small, and it won't produce a significant diuretic action, particularly if we're used to containing caffeine-containing drinks. On the other hand, if we avoid these drinks, we may become more dehydrated if we don't replace them with something else. And many studies have shown that telling people to avoid caffeinated drinks when they're at risk of dehydration actually is likely to make them more dehydrated because the total fluid intake goes down.